Alrighty, so I forgot to record, so I'm just going to kind of talk through this with you guys for what I did, and then you guys will be able to see this and draw this with us. So we have that Sandra says that 4/7 minus 1/3 is going to equal 3/4, because all you have to do is just go 4 minus 1 is 3, and 7 minus 3 is 4. Because all you have to do is subtract the numerators and subtract the denominators. We need to convince Sandra that she's wrong. So what I did first was I showed you guys that I just cannot do that. So what I did was I drew my rectangular models, and I had my 4/7 and I showed my 1/3. And so what I did over here then is I went ahead and I counted out to find that least common multiple, which ended up being 21. And so when you guys, and I'll show you guys on here, is that if I show 4/7 and then I show 1/3, guys, take a look at how the parts are not equal. They're not the same. You know, you don't want to have to subtract something from here because it's not going to be equal. You can look at the size and they're not the same. That is the reason why when we go through and we do this, that is the reason why we make an equal common denominator, is so that those little pieces then can be equal. So when I went through and did this, I showed 4/7 and I showed the 1/3, and you can kind of see that there. So here's that 1/3, and then here's the 4/7. And I made this into 21st, and I made this one into 21st. So now you can notice that these pieces are all the same size, okay? So then I was able to come down and show that I have 12 21st minus 7 21st, because when I add these up to make them equal and have the same sizes, then I would be able to subtract successfully, and that's how I got 12 minus 7 is 5 21st.